Last month someone used Canva AI to land a gig on Fiverr and they made $4,200 in just 30 days. No design experience. No expensive courses. Just one free AI tool and the right framework. And I'm going to show you exactly how they did it, step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva AI to create design services on Fiverr and start making $100 a day even if you've never designed anything before. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 3-step process, the specific prompts to use in Canva AI to land better gigs, and how to price your services so clients actually book you. And stick around because the third method, the one barely anyone is using yet, is where the real opportunity is hiding. Method 1, the Canva AI Logo Quick Gig. This is the fastest way to start. Open Canva, go to the AI Magic Design tool, type in a prompt like minimalist tech startup logo in blue and white, and Canva generates 10 templates in seconds. You pick the best one, tweak the colors and text in 2 minutes, and you've got a professional logo. On Fiverr, logo gigs start at $25 to $100 depending on how you position it. The key is not charging $5, that attracts time wasters. Start at $50 for a basic logo, offer revisions, and you'll get 3 to 4 orders a week if you do it right. The mistake everyone makes? They price too low and burn out because each gig only takes 15 minutes but they're only making $10. Price it properly. Method 2, Social Media Bundle Packages. This is where you scale faster. Instead of selling one-off designs, you create a package. I'll design 5 Instagram posts, 5 TikTok graphics, and 1 Pinterest template for your brand, all customized. You use Canva AI to generate a concept based on their niche. Let's say they're a fitness coach, you prompt Canva with fitness motivation post with dumbbells, modern minimalist style, and boom, you have 5 variations in 10 minutes. On Fiverr, this package sells for $150 to $300. The common mistake here is making it too complicated. Stick to simple, templated designs. Your job is positioning and customization, not creating art from scratch. Keep it simple, keep it fast. Method 3, the method nobody talks about, Canva AI plus print-on-demand automation. Here's the loop: create a design in Canva using AI, upload it to Printful or Merch by Amazon, and sell it through your own store or partner stores. You don't touch the product, it's automated. A single design of a motivational quote, generated by Canva AI in 2 minutes, can sell 50 times a month at $18 profit per unit. That's $900 from one design. The advantage? You sell it once, and it makes money on repeat. You can create 3 to 5 of these per week with Canva AI. Income is slower at first, expect $300 to $500 in month 1, but month 3 you could be seeing $1,500 to $2,000 passive. This is the difference between trading time for money and building a real asset. We're halfway through, and what I'm about to show you is the exact positioning strategy that changes your Fiverr rate from $25 to $150 plus. This is the part 1 wish I'd known a year ago. Don't skip it. The positioning piece, your Fiverr gig description, is everything. Instead of saying I design logos with Canva, say I create custom, brand-ready logos that attract your ideal customers, designed in 24 hours or less. See the difference? One is vague, one is specific and client-focused. Use Canva AI to generate 3 sample designs before you launch your gig. These are your portfolio. Upload them. Then write a description that answers the client's real question: will this gig actually help my business? Use testimonial language in your copy. And here's the hack: offer a discount on your first 5 orders to land reviews fast. $50 for a $100 gig. Once you have 25-star reviews, you raise your price to $150. This is how you go from $100 a month to $100 a day. Here's what we covered. Method 1, quick logo gigs at $50 to $100 each. Method 2, social media bundles at $150 to $300. Method 3, print-on-demand automation, where one design makes you $900 plus. And the positioning strategy that actually gets you booked. Here's your action plan for this week. Today, go create a free Canva account. Tomorrow, generate 3 sample logos using Canva AI. By Wednesday, set up your first Fiverr gig and post it. That's it. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Seriously, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video helped, I drop a new AI money method every single week. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Next week I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT to create digital products that sell on autopilot. See you then.